How to fix Outlook search not working. First, open Outlook and make sure you're using the classic interface. Now go to File menu in the top left corner and click Options. In the Options window, select Search from the left-hand menu. Click on Indexing option to check the indexing status of your Outlook data. In the Indexing option window, click Advanced. Now in the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild to start rebuilding the search index. Click OK to confirm and let the process run in the background. Once the rebuild is complete, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After rebooting, you want to open Outlook. Now, test the search function. It should start working properly now. To verify, go over to the search tools in the search bar and check the indexing status. Now, this should fix your Outlook search issue and make it easier to find emails. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.